the silent strength in all of us. Today we pause to honor the silent strength in all of us. Mother, mama, mum, mam, mother, mama, madre, meha. That quiet endurance of a mother who dries her tears before stepping into the room. The grandmother who hums wisdom into your spirit without saying a word. The woman who gives, grows, and guides without asking for applause. And today, we also lift our hearts in the tribute to one of our strongest roots.
My mother made me who I am today. Her love will never drift away. She is my root, my light, and my flame. A mother's love is just not the same.
Good morning. Happy Mother's Day. My mother, Anastasia Madeline Edwards Holder, is an awesome, phenomenal, amazing woman. I love you, Mom.
The keeper of stories, the quiet force behind our mission. This Mother's Day, we reflect not only on those who gave us life, but those who gave us courage, calm, and culture. To every mother figure and to our dear elders now resting in power, we carry you in every story we tell. Their lives are living archives of grace, grit, and love. We honor the silent strength in all of us. The mothers, the aunties, the grandmothers, and the women who shape us with love, laughter, and quiet power. Happy Mother's Day from all of us from Caribbean Folklore Storytime Storytellers.